your boyfriend, your boyfriend, your boyfriend,
Have you ever had the feeling you're drawn to someone? Yeah, and it isn't anything they could have said or done. And every day I see you on your own, and I can't believe that you're alone. But I overheard your girls, and this is what they said: that you're looking for a boyfriend. I see that. Give me time, you know I'm gonna be there. Don't be scared to go, put your trust in me. Can't you see, all I really wanna be is your boyfriend. Can't fight that, knock me down, you know I'm coming right back. I don't hear it all, what you done before. All I really want is to be your
boyfriend, your boyfriend, your boyfriend.
Let me take a little moment to find the right word. So when I kick it to you, it ain't something that you've heard. I don't know what kind of guy that you prefer, but I know I gotta put myself forward. See, I think I got the kind of